News First Alert Weather.
Rain is expected tonight into Monday. Temperatures are expected to drop afterwards after a cold front moves through on Tuesday. And we also will be colder next weekend with the potential for rain, wind, and winter precip as well. As we take a look at our Capitol Federal Skycam in downtown Topeka, just look at those Christmas lights. It's the season, but don't forget Thanksgiving either, though, because Thanksgiving is also an important holiday, and it's also important to say thanks for what you have. And as we take a look at our Capitol Federal Live Storm Tracker, 53 in Topeka, 51 in Emporia, 57 Manhattan, 58 out in Concordia. As we take a look at wind speeds right now, between around calm and around 10 miles per hour around the area. For your gust, in between around 5 and around 20 miles per hour. So the gusts have picked up a little bit. As we go throughout the next 24 hours, we'll dip from the 50s into the 40s, getting into the 50s by tomorrow afternoon. As we take a look at tonight's forecast overall, we'll be in the 40s, while that chance for rain as well. Tomorrow's forecast will be rainy, and we'll be in the 50s, 57 in Topeka, 55 in Emporia, 55 in Manhattan, and 54 in Concordia. Tuesday's forecast overall, we will be partly sunny, 53 in Topeka, 54 in Emporia, 54 in Manhattan, and 52 out in Concordia. Capitol Federal Live Storm Tracker currently just showing some cloud cover moving from the west to the east, and that's part of a low pressure system that's expected to move through with a cold front along with it. And as we track out the next 48 hours or so, as you can see, rain coverage will increase along that cold front, and then we will see that low pressure system wrap around, and we will continue seeing rain as we go through tomorrow as well. This low pressure system just kind of meanders throughout the area for the most part, and then we will see clearing out behind that. Then we will see more clouds on Wednesday and Thursday. It will be cool then with highs in the 40s and lows in the 20s. So possible frost risk as well. As we go into Friday, increased rain coverage into Saturday. Right now, models are showing Saturday afternoon just rain, too warm for any winter precip. But as we go into Sunday, we may see the possibility for some freezing rain and maybe even some snow as well. Models have been back and forth on these solutions. As you may have seen this morning, the models were showing something different. This is the same model I was showing this morning, but the solution is showing something different. So it's just going to be really up to monitoring the forecast throughout this week to know for certain what the forecast will be for this weekend. As we take a look at your 8-day forecast, we will see rain tomorrow, then we clear out and we will be cooler going throughout the middle part of the week. May see that winter precip or may just see rain this weekend, but overall you need to make sure to monitor the forecast here on WIBW and WIBW.com online. And by next week we will be cooler, and that's a fact for certain.